Precision Pumping Systems is proud to introduce their premium line of prepackaged pump stations. These compact all-in-one pump stations are designed and engineered for long-term service, reliability, and a wide variety of pumping applications. Featuring marine-grade aluminum enclosures, heavy-duty skids, and corrosion-resistant powder coating, they're guaranteed to protect your investment in the toughest environments. And that's just the beginning. It's what's inside that counts. Built with the highest quality industrial-grade components, these all-in-one prepackaged pump stations feature the wide range of power, performance, and add-on options preferred and requested by engineering professionals worldwide. And best of all, they're engineered and manufactured in the USA, pre-tested and certified prior to delivery, and backed by our world-class PPS warranty and 24/7 tech support. Are you ready for a change? Call or visit our website to learn more. Precision Pumping Systems, turning water into communities one pump station at a time.